Um, Good evening. I am Muhammad Syarif from Group 31. We would like to this is a video presentation about our group assignment about semiotic analysis on advertisement. So I would like to introduce about me, Muhammad Syarif, the group leader, Muhammad Saifan, Rose Zafri, and Amir Aziz. These are all my team members. So first we go into the semiotic analysis on existing advertisement. So in this analysis, we will go for Roland according to Roland Barthes' view on advertising, which is non-coded message, coded message, and linguistic messages. So, firstly, when we will use a McDonald's nasi lemak advertising for this research. So, the coded iconic message from you can get is the visualization of this advertising. Notice the colors, the green colors, the mattress, and all the foods that exist in the advertising. It tries to tell like about to imply this advertisement is trying since it sells about nasi lemak, which is one of Malaysia's popular dishes. So it tries to in this advertising they try to put like uh visualization based on local Malaysian cultures, and then like the green colors, which actually has some emotion input we can get here. So the visual elements in the ads try to presenting Malaysian cultures in context of in not just only cultural context and also is which is also includes geographical also. So coded iconic is like and the signified has like an interpretation. That's why it's signified. So for non-coded iconic is where the signified is just straightforward. It's just describing what's from the image. For example, like in this advertising, we just describe what's in the advertising. What can we can describe based on non-coded iconic is a unique Malaysia, an advertising by McDonald's to promote their nasi lemak food, and then they're also and their fried chicken also. That's it, and there's no like other interpretations, no deep meanings behind it. So linguistic message is the usage of the text and phrases in this advertising. This unique Malaysia. So they decide to the reason they did that because they want to promote their nasi lemak towards their Malaysia, which is their target audience. Now you have nasi lemak, McD, and ayam goreng. Nasi lemak is one of Malaysia's most popular morning dishes. And then we go part two of advertisement remake. So we decide to our group members decide to redesign what's from the advertisement. So metonym. So from the understanding of metonym we can get is like I would take for example like when people listen what does the symbol hurt? When people see the symbol hurt, they mean love. That's metonym. Then it applies to this advertising design. So what I think the creator of this advertising is, it tries to tell that nasi lemak is it shows us smile face design based on the food's elements that you can get from nasi lemak, and you can see like the for example the eyebrows they use spicy McDonald's chicken fried chicken, and you see the eyes were used by use eggs for the eyes, and the nose they use sambal, and you see like the and this one is supposed to be hair if I'm not mistaken, and then we have like the chili, which I think is trying to tell the flavor of the chicken, I guess. So when it's, I think the smile means it's referring to is one of is trying to tell that Malaysians love nasi lemak because nasi lemak is one of our famous morning dishes. So that's metonym. I think that and which is that could be the metonym that is trying to tell from this advertising remake redesign. So for metaphor is like take example when you angry, people use like odd words to describe something, an emotion. Like take example when he, so I- and then like take example like maybe a lion, for example. A lion is that dude is like a lion, which means he is someone who is like aggressive or someone who is bravefulness based on different on others people's interpretation. So the same goes to this metaphor from our group members and done. I think the metaphor can be seen based mainly on the text, a taste of nation in every bite, which means it tries to tell that you can, well, since McDonald's is like a Western food, so they decide to make nasi lemak, and nasi lemak is also what is, like I said before, is popular food. So we can, when they try to tell the audience that you can still enjoy McDonald's and have Malaysian's food experience on it. And like besides that, you can use it also use metaphor in highlighting the nasi lemak and then convey the sensory image of the nasi lemak. Like for example, the usage of sunlight on top right is right. Notice is trying to shine on the nasi lemak. It's trying to show the nasi lemak how delightful it is. And it's also used text like in earlier before I said. And next, and lastly, we go for intertextual. Intertextual, from the understanding, is like it's try to explain what, which is try to, well, maybe I'll, and then in which post it. So from here, or from one of the members to it, is like the poster is trying to engage with and reference other text, which means intertextual. It use text to describe what's in the food in the advertising. So you see like the text. So ikan bilis, ayam goreng McD, sambal, telur goreng, that etc. Is intertextual plays can use to enrich the text and add depth and complexity and try on the product. So that is from us. Thank you for the presentation for this assignment.